Here I have Nokia 5.3, and today I'm going to show you how to get Mi control center on this device. So as you can see, I have like normal control center here, but you can actually get the control center like on all the Xiaomi devices. All you have to do for it is to download this application, Mi Control Center Notifications and Quick Actions, from the Play Store. And you have to open this app. Then you have to grant all the permissions it requires here. And now we can configure this. This control center here. Like here we have our Xiaomi control center here. Like different actions we can perform here. You can change status bar swipe area here. Wow. And change notifications and control center here. You can change places. You can customize it here. For example, you can change its grid here, but you'll have to firstly upgrade to Pro. Wow, that's unexpected. What else can you change? More maybe colors. If I select like black color, will it be black? Wow, it really is. You can change active title color, for example, it changes to red. And as you can see, now my Mi control center is in black and red. You can customize different other options, for example, like data usage here. You can show mobile data usage. Edge triggers, pop-ups. And different things like that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.